Okay, let's go to the hamstrings and calves, and we're probably almost done. You guys will have a really good...
It feels good, doesn't it? Feel good.
So again, even these are even less. Okay, I mean, you gotta go to a single on that in the hamstrings. And again, this one's really good for going back and forth. So when I go on the outside, I can really feel an area that doesn't like me too much right now.
So is that getting into your IT band again?
It's coming close. It's definitely coming close. You're like, oh man. Right there.
This could be like massage more.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good idea.
No, I'm serious.
Yes. Yeah, it really could be good. Really good.
Just remember to go back and forth. Does anybody here ever get a lot of plantar fasciitis?
Yep.
Anybody? So this tennis ball would be really a good little tool. You would just roll on that and really, if you have it, I'd recommend freezing a water bottle and doing it. Actually. There's a little, look at that thing. I find the craziest things in here. What is it? Little pricker, little, something from a tree.
Wow. I feel that.
Now we're going to stand up.
Log rolling.
So let's switch legs. If you guys didn't switch, right? Perfect timing. This is awesome. Good stuff. Hopefully you guys are getting something out of that. It is hard to hold yourself with your shoulders up, right? It's like a workout, I know. So you can do that. Again, you know, if you not in a holding mode, you can just go to that and really find it that way. Really more specific with that tennis ball. But if you've seen what I've done, this is a lacrosse ball. And I went to a seamstress and had this made for the gym. So, like, say you're in your car, I love that one, where you push back into those upper back trigger points, just kind of show you, or the wall, or the floor. So, not just having it free because it's going to fall, and this is a great little tool.
Sock, like a knee sock.
Socks work great. Socks work great. Not as pretty as mine.
I know.
Not as pretty. Okay, let's do the calves, okay? Again, you can do a double, but you're holding yourself up and it's like an exercise, so you may want to not do that. So go to singles, and again, back and forth. To increase that, you would put your leg on top of your leg to increase the intensity.
Ooh.
What just happened?
I just put my foot
Oh, I thought you was a snap or something.
No.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a workout. If you're sweating, that's because it's not as easy as it looks. My alarm keeps on going off.
Do you walk a lot?
So we need to bring that back by your
Oh, do you?
That's why. But,
okay with that?